Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Stalker to near Forest City to near Beach Haven, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes, especially over the higher terrain. This snow squall will be near Hazleton, Freeland, and Woodside drifting around 4:20 p.m. Sterling, Whitehaven, and Lehigh around 4:25 p.m. Bethel, Holly, and White Lake around 4:30 p.m. Blooming Grove, Popoc, and South Fallsburg around 4:35 p.m. Monticello, McCallickson, and Woodbridge around 4:40 p.m. Shahala, Highland Lake, and Greeley around 4:45 p.m. Glen Spey around 4:50 p.m. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 86/Route 17 between 102 and 111. Interstate 80 between 256 and 273. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 143 and 194. Interstate 84 between 1 and 46. Interstate 380 between 13 and 24. Interstate 476 between 105 and 131. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass. Here is the